Okay, here is the value worksheet. First thing I want you to do is write your name and your class code. You are going to need an ebony pencil for this, which is that metallic black gray pencil that has the soft lead, and you are going to need a colored pencil for this. While you're doing this, one column is going to be for the ebony pencil, so I'm going to just label that with an E, and the other column is going to be for a colored pencil. Doesn't matter what color you choose. So what we're going to do is, like we did in the last video with the value ticket, this worksheet, we practice going from light to dark. So we're going to do the same thing, but in this case, we're going to try and match the tones on the paper as we go up. Now the printer definitely shows a gradual change here, but sometimes when they get printed off, it just turns the darker tones to black. So I would say match the color up to here and then just slowly darken it as you go up. So I'm going to do this, and I'm going to lightly draw with a very small amount of pressure so that it matches this first one. Now that first one, I'm going to just blend with my finger. Then I'm going to move up and I'm going to try to match this shade. Same thing with this one. So each time I do this, I'm adding a small amount of pressure to each one, just a little bit more each time. So if I look back at it, it should be a gradual change. If you want, you can use your fingertips to blend, to smooth out that coloring. And if you notice that two look exactly the same, you can always go back into it a little bit more and add a little bit more darkness to them. Okay, now the same exact thing for the colored pencil side. Each time you do one, it's going to get a little bit darker. You might not be able to see the color on the video. I can definitely see it on my paper, but that would be a good thing for the starting ones. So those first couple you might not see very well. And as they go up, they're going to get darker and darker. Remember to change the pressure of how hard you're touching the paper with your pencil. All right, and then we're going to save this for the next class.